The actual cable that comes with it, though, you can put that in the microwave. It's microwave safe.
All right, hold on.
Hi, yes, I saw that you are having trouble with your computer. This is Hewlett Packard.
Yes, I was on the phone with someone else, but I was having trouble understanding him.
Oh, okay. What's going on? Tell me a little bit about this. What's happening with your Hewlett?
Um, well, I purchased it last year.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on the phone. Get out my way.
Get them out.
Uh, I'm sorry. I
Oh, it's
was on the
okay.
phone. My phone. Excuse me. My laptop is not turning on. It powers on, but it has
Mm-hmm.
no screen. The
Okay.
screen is black.
Screen is black. Power's on, has no screen. Okay. Have you tried turning it off and on?
I have.
Okay. Okay. Try again while you're on the phone.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I just powered it back on.
Okay. It's on now?
Uh-huh.
All right. Now push enter 5 times.
All right.
Anything
Okay, I
happening?
did that.
Okay. All right. Is the caps lock on?
It's flashing.
It's flashing. Okay.
Mhm.
So have you tried turning it off and on?
Mhm.
Okay. I'm gonna give you some code real quick to type on the keyboard.
Okay.
All right. Um, type DAM
Mhm.
N P O O
Okay.
P O O
Mhm.
P Y
Okay.
P
T
E
is in Tom.
P is in Piper.
Okay.
PEEN.
Okay.
All right. Well, now what's happening on your end?
Nothing.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Have you tried turning it
I
off and
haven't had
on?
this laptop a whole year.
You haven't had a problem with it in 4 years, or you haven't been able to get it to
No,
work?
I haven't had it. No, I haven't had it in a whole year.
Oh my goodness! So it hasn't worked in a whole year.
No, it's worked. I'm saying I haven't had it for a whole year. What I'm saying is only like
Oh.
several months old.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. In that case, type 6. Do 6. Do
Mhm.
3 sixes in a row. 666.
Uh huh.
All right. Do All right. Anything happen there? 3 sixes.
Oh.
All right. Do 6969 on the keypad there.
All right. Did.
All right. And then do L, and then O,
Mhm.
and another L.
Mhm. Okay.
All right. Now let's do a S T
Uh huh.
F U
All right.
All right, and let me get a L M F A O.
Uh huh.
All right. Anything?
Mm-mm.
Okay, yeah, we're really having an issue here. Okay, let me get S M H. All right, let's do
Okay.
a S M D H.
SMBH.
D is in Dave. S M D H.
Okay.
Anything?
No.
Have you tried turning it off and on?
I can try again.
Yeah, try that again. All right, now while it's off, hit F2.
All right, 1 second. Wait
All
on
right.
it to go out.
Waiting on it. Okay. So it's turning on and off. It's just not doing anything?
Yes, nothing's coming up on the screen.
Okay, so there's no blue screen. That's a good sign. Okay. So real quick, hit F2.
Okay.
All right,
I did.
now type in ROFL.
Hold on 1 second, okay?
All right.
All right.
Terrific.
ROML. Okay, I did that.
Cool. All right. Hit F5.
Mm-hmm.
And type in YEET.
All right.
What's the mouse doing? Is the mouse lighting up?
I don't have a mouse. I have a keypad.
You got a
A
keypad.
mouse pad. I mean, a mouse pad. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. So there's no external devices to the computer. It's just the computer and then the plug that you use to plug it in the wall.
Well, it's a laptop.
It's a laptop. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Let's see what we could do about this. You know, I think one thing that we could do, this works sometimes for some laptop users. Have you tried putting it in the microwave?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Why are you on my phone playing with me?
No, this is a real thing. If you put it in the microwave, it'll fix it.
Okay, I don't believe you.
Oh yeah, straight up. So yeah, put not the computer. That would probably not be good. The actual cable that comes with it though. You can put that in the microwave. It's microwave safe.
All right, hold on. So I'm not gonna do that because this is a joke.
Oh, your computer's not really broken? You're joking?
No, my computer's working, but I think you're joking.
Oh, you think I'm joking? Oh my goodness! No, I work
Yeah.
for Hewlett Packard LLC.
I don't believe you.
No, I straight up do. Listen, I know that sounds crazy. Look, here's if you don't want to put it in the mic, I can get that. That sounds nuts. Just take the cord and kind of just like throw it around your like lasso it. You ever seen people do that? Like you take it in the cord, you just kind of like throw it in the air, and it'll kind of unravel some of the components in there, and that'll probably get you good and working after that.
Okay, I don't need to do that because it's charging the laptop.
Oh, just rip the whole thing out of the wall and just throw it. Have you tried ironing it? She's like, all right, hold on. I was like,
I thought she was going to put it in the microwave. I was like, oh, no.
Let's